Hi everyone. This video is going to tell you the reasons for the 0x0 0x0 error and how to fix it. What causes 0x0 0x0 error code? The following are some possible reasons. How to fix 0x0 0x0 error code. Here are 4 useful methods for you. Close the conflicting program. Open the System Configuration app. Switch to the Services tab and check Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all enabled startup items. Go back to System Configuration. Click OK. Click Restart. Perform disk cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup app. Click OK. Click Clean up System Files and click OK to start scanning. Once done, click OK and delete the files. Reinstall graphics driver. Open Device Manager, then navigate to Display Adapters. Uninstall the graphic driver. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver. Update your system and antivirus software. If you have installed third-party antivirus software on your computer, then you need to update the antivirus software. Keeping your operating system up to date is also a good choice. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.